What's up everyone, welcome back to this channel. As you can see, I'm still in my hotel room in Dubai, but I'm coming to you still every Tuesday with my weekly crypto price analysis based on my trading strategies. And before we get started, let's check what happened to the signals that I gave you last week for the altcoins where there were some sell signals. Let's check if those signals made any sense. And of course, this is not financial advice. You have to do your own research. Don't just follow my signals. Also, make sure you know what you're doing. In last week's video, we talked about some sell signals and there were no buy signals because the market was trending down and it was looking very grim. So one of the sell signals was for Fetch AI. Now let's check the chart and see if that was a good signal. The sell signal came here at around $2.88, and since then the price went down, so this sell signal made sense. The sell signal came from bot 1, which is the one that reacts faster to market movements, so it will buy back in when the trend turns back around to the upside. If you want to get that information as fast as possible, then make sure to follow me on Twitter. The other sell signal was for Nosana. As you can see here, the sell signal was over here at $4.26 after it made a massive profit of 24,000%. All right. Was it a good sell signal? Well, you tell me. The sell signal came right over here, and since then, the price has fallen. The other sell signal came for IMX, and IMX got a sell signal somewhere around $3.31 after it made a pretty good profit of about 500%, right? Again, was it a good sell signal? You tell me in the comments. Price has fallen since the sell signal about 17%. I highly recommend you join my altcoin Telegram group where I share this kind of signals way faster, actually even faster than on Twitter. So make sure to click the link down below and join that group. Those were some signals from last week, so you can see if they made sense or not. But I recommend that you do check out that video that I posted last week so you get even more in-depth analysis of those coins. But what is happening right now? What about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins? Are there some more sell signals, or do we have some buy signals as well? Let's get into it right now. Looking at Bitcoin, nothing much has changed, to be honest, because there is no sell signal or buy signal from any of my three strategies for Bitcoin. So we're still waiting. I do expect that bot number 1 will trigger a buy signal very soon in the next couple of days. Again, make sure to follow me on Twitter and be in Telegram so you don't miss those signals. But Bitcoin is quite relaxed. I have one strategy which is still invested, which is the slow moving bot 1, because the trend is still up. That is still invested. So 2 of my 3 strategies are out and 1 is still invested in Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is a bit boring right now. Let's go to the altcoins and check out what is happening there. And specifically, let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is where the action is happening right now, and I'm happy to say that there is a buy signal which came exactly today on the 9th of April. As you can see here, we have a re-entry signal. The trend is still green, the trend is still up, and the strategy has re-entered a trade. And this trade here, this blue arrow, went directly to my Bybit sub-account where I have money that has been invested into Ethereum because of this buy signal. So I didn't have to do anything. It was fully automatic. And why is it a re-entry? Well, because it was buying here, selling here to take some profits. And then because the trend turned up again, it re-entered. And let's check the performance numbers of this strategy over time so that you see what I'm talking about here. This is since 2018, 1st of January. Keep that in mind. You see the performance numbers on Ethereum are quite good. 3,000% profit, 58%, almost 59% win rate, and also a max drawdown of 27%, which is quite good. Profit factor of 4. And because of this performance, I trust these signals and I have fully automated the trading of Ethereum with this particular strategy. And if you also think about it, then it's quite exciting to realize that for Bitcoin, there was no buy signal from this strategy, but for Ethereum there was, which for me means that now money is rotating from Bitcoin into altcoins. Even the strategy knows that, and we can see it happening on the chart. And if you want to know how this will play out, because the price is now going down, will it recover? Will it make a profit? Is that a good buy signal? Well, make sure to subscribe and watch my weekly price analysis videos, and then you will see. Let's move on and talk about other altcoins. Are there any sell signals? Well, no. They are only buy signals. And let me show you for which coins my strategies have triggered some buy signals. I'm tracking the coins that I care about, of course. If you want me to analyze a different coin, then make sure to post it down in the comments, come to Telegram, do the same, or hit me up on Twitter to do the same, and then I will check out the coin. Of course, members of my program, they have full access to the strategies and they can track any kind of coin they want. But on this channel, I want to make sure that I share the signals from the coins that I invest in and that I'm tracking and I'm interested in general. And one of them is Medieval Empires, which is behind me, and let's check it out. Now, this coin is quite volatile, all right? And because it's quite volatile, bot 1 works best because it's a momentum trading strategy. And as you can see here, it had a buy signal here on the 5th of April in the beginning of the day. And then from that point in time, it went up very quickly, 45%. And this buy signal was quite mad because when I woke up, it was already plus 25%. So that would have been too late to buy the coin. But because the automation kicked in, it bought the coin for me and I didn't have to do anything. Now, this was a great buy signal. We are already in profit here, like you saw before, 45, 46%. Before that, it had a trade that started down here and ended over here for about 242% profit, which is quite good. So that's why I'm trusting this next buy signal as well. And I will make sure to get out of the trade whenever this strategy gives a signal. Again, I will share it on all my social media. Make sure to follow. There you have it, guys. Those are the most important signals for the coins that I'm tracking since last week's video. Make sure to watch that video as well. I guarantee you will learn something important for your trading strategies. In any case, I am still invested in many other coins which didn't have any sell signal, meaning that they are still in an uptrend, and that's why my strategies are still invested. And I want to show you which coins those are. I want to show you which strategies are applied on those very quickly. Let's go. I am still invested in Bitcoin with one of my strategies. And the strategy is called bot2 slow. It's a trend following strategy that makes decisions slowly to follow the trend as long as necessary. And it is in profit about 138% right now. I'm invested in Ethereum with bot2 fast, which I mentioned already before. I'm also invested in Near protocol with bot2 fast, and currently it is in profit about 129%. Another coin in my portfolio is Gala Games and also bot2 fast, and in profit about 126% so far. And the last one, Jupiter, also with bot2 fast and currently in profit about 128%. And you cannot see the numbers on the bottom because that's the first trade that it made and it's still open. That means that there are no KPIs yet to see, and they will appear when the trade gets closed. And that's it, guys, for today's price analysis of the last week. And you were quite lucky because of the buy signal of Ethereum happening exactly today when I was recording. And if you want to educate yourself on trade automation, then I have two videos for you that you must watch. This video is about how to find profitable trading strategies for cryptocurrencies, and this one is how you can automate them to send the signals from this one to your exchange to have trade automation just as I do. And I see you over there.